Tesla's speed limit mode is designed to enhance safety by alerting drivers when exceeding posted speed limits. This feature uses cameras and GPS to detect speed signs and can issue audible chimes to promote safer driving. Many Tesla owners find the chime intrusive and seek ways to customize or turn it off for a quieter driving experience. As of December 2025, Tesla's latest software updates, including version 2025.12.2, provide options to customize or disable these alerts through the vehicle's touchscreen interface. This video will guide you through accessing the settings and turning off the chime while considering safety implications. To disable the chime, start on your Tesla's touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then tap Autopilot. Here, you'll find the speed limit mode options. The exact names may vary slightly based on your software version, such as speed limit warning or chime alerts. Ensure your Tesla software is updated to at least version 2025.12.2 to access the latest features. Within the speed limit mode settings, locate the toggle for speed limit warning or chime alerts. Turn this toggle to the off position. This will disable the audible chime when approaching or exceeding the speed limit. Note that disabling the chime does not affect the speed limiting functionality itself, only the audible warning. If you prefer to disable speed limit mode completely, start by navigating to the Controls menu on your Tesla touchscreen. From there, go to Autopilot Settings and locate the Speed Limit Mode option. Within the Speed Limit Mode menu, select the Off option to disable the entire feature. This action turns off all speed limit enforcement and related alerts. Be aware that disabling the entire mode may also turn off related features, such as speed sign notifications that help you stay aware of changing limits. Additionally, Tesla emphasizes that disabling the mode may affect insurance discounts tied to autopilot usage in some regions, as safety features like this contribute to your driving score. Consider these implications before making changes to ensure your driving experience remains safe and compliant. Tesla's speed limit mode is deeply integrated with the vehicle's broader safety settings. These settings allow you to customize how alerts and feedback work to enhance your driving safety. For example, you can see the speed limit mode displayed on the touchscreen, where settings like alert volumes and haptic feedback can be adjusted. Important to note that turning off the chime primarily affects the audible warnings, but it doesn't disable the system's braking interventions that help maintain safety. Remember to review and adjust all your safety settings according to your driving preferences to ensure a well-balanced experience. Speed limit mode relies on camera readings and map data, which may not always be accurate. Temporary speed changes in construction zones or areas with outdated maps may not be reflected. The system also doesn't override manual acceleration, so drivers can still exceed limits intentionally. Stay vigilant and aware of your surroundings. Experts recommend carefully considering the safety trade-offs before disabling speed limit mode chimes. While customizable settings enhance user comfort, the audible alerts serve as a reminder to maintain safe speeds. Studies show the system reduces speeding-related incidents. Evaluate your driving habits and local regulations before making changes. The trend in automotive safety is toward greater integration of advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. These systems combine sensors, cameras, and AI to create a comprehensive safety network around the vehicle. Governments worldwide are mandating features similar to Tesla's speed limit mode. In the European Union, 2025 vehicle safety standards require speed limit enforcement, while in the U.S., the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration links these systems to insurance premiums and safety ratings. Future updates may introduce context-aware alerts, automatically muting chimes during emergency maneuvers, or adjusting volume based on driving conditions. By 2026, Tesla plans to integrate with V2X communication for real-time infrastructure updates. Stay informed about regulatory changes and Tesla software updates to optimize your driving experience safely. Regular updates ensure your vehicle remains compliant and benefits from the latest safety enhancements.